cracking, y'all? Welcome back for another video. Welcome back to the channel. Back at you guys with another video with the Mazda. What is this?
That's a fucking mistake. Beat his fucking...
A Genesis, yo. But anyhow, today's video, I'm gonna be working on this thing's bumper today. I'm actually gonna try to fit it on and actually install it today, so that's on today's agenda. So yeah, as you guys probably seen in the previous video, or if you haven't, I'll roll clip here.
Heard a crunch and I was like, no. Oh well, whose car did not start?
We're always running into fucking dilemmas with this car. I went and picked up another bumper for this car since I messed the other one up, smoked it. Homie Javi hooked me up with another one. So we're gonna try to get that thing on, actually the whole thing fitted today. So wish me luck. I think it'll fit. Basically the last time you guys see me try to put it on, it was hitting like the light bar right here. There's a foam piece behind the stock grill on the stock bumper that it's just hitting the bash bar. So I'm gonna try to take that off and a few more of the other stock components on the bumper, and we're gonna try to get this thing on. So because I'm tired of seeing a bare face on this car. So look at I just noticed y'all can see the little tile blow off valve. I don't know if it can focus. That thing shiny, cut. But yeah, so let's go get these bumpers out here, get them out of the room, and start disassembling. All right, so I got the bumper out. Oh, gotta focus on that thing. Gotta focus on me too. Wait, hold on. There we go. I was in the wrong settings. All right, so we got the bumper out. Pretty much, I'm gonna see if I can keep this little under tray. Actually, I don't need this tray part, but I kind of want to keep this little lip right here. I'm gonna see if I can do that, and hopefully this thing fits onto the car. So these things obviously can stay. I'm hyped on these because these are, I'm all pointing at my shoe. But these little, I don't even know what you call them. I guess like little diffusers, if you want to call it that. But bitches are nice. It's a bit different. I also gotta take this little license plate cover thingy off. Probably gotta flip it up like this. Oh. Yeah. All right, let's see what we're gonna need here for tools wise. Hopefully I got everything. It just looks like a bunch of Phillips to me. And obviously a few clips. I don't exactly know how I got this one out last time. I kind of forget. It's been a while since I did a bumper, but it kind of looks like you just pop these little Johnnies out of here. Some sort. Yeah, I'm hyped. I don't have to take the fog lights out, so that's already done for me. I might have to lose this tray though, because it's gonna hit the intercooler. This OEM shit's a pain in the ass. I don't know. I think I'm gonna run the stock grill for now until.
Did you cut your last bumper to fit the light bar or what?
Well, I have to trim the grill. No, it's a whole different grill than my other bumper. But we're gonna see if this one fits. I might have to take this little piece of chingus off.
Just holding this.
Yeah, but if you look on this bottom side, it has like a little lip thingy mabobber right here.
Yeah, you can even run like a splitter on it.
Uh-huh. That's why I was like, I kind of want to leave that on.
It already has the holes for it. It'll just mount right on.
Gee. Gotta start this car up and flip it around. Where the fuck's my keys? Alright. She's got battery. Hey, shut up in there, fool, for real.
Trying to take a shit. Why are you trying to...
Did not hear the shit part. Shut up. Alright, I did not hear the shit part. Anyways. Alright. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. Well, we have special guests. We got Mr. Shithead.
I just took a mean Bosa in the fucking restaurant.
Cruisers. Alright, let's get this bumper put on. What?
So we're going back to stock with her. You haven't told him yet?
I've been telling them, bro. I only posted every day on my stories.
Going
All
back to
stock. Let me know, guys. What y'all think? Keep the stock look? Kind of looks different. I haven't seen it like this in so
Hey,
long.
can you picture me in a shit box?
It looks like when you bought the car, bro.
Hey, fuck you, fool. When I bought the car, it blew up. Don't put that dirt on my name. Nah, but sadly, the light bar is covered by the grill. Dude, I mean, it barely fits. Like, it's finna pop off, like, one little bump. But I like it.
I'm gonna say, who wants it?
Nah. So already sending me shit out. Relax, I just put it on.
That shit's about to fly off on the freeway.
And fuck you, Ed. See, everyone puts this dirt on my name, bro. Like,
All stock with a big ass
look
intercooler.
at this one. Always putting me on blast, this guy. Let me take this license plate little gayness off. That is that. Leaves two little ugly holes, but it's whatever. It's all stock anyways, boss. See if my hood pops open, because it was kind of a bitch to shut. Ooh, she sounded aggressive there, buddy. My hood's heavier than it looks. Well, it opens. Oh, hey, relax. I'm about to drop it on my fingers. I'm about to lose all my fingers.
All stock, fool.
Definitely all stock. Hey, on another note, since I'm doing the trade with my boy Javi, basically swapping OEM grill for an open mouth grill he has. Let me get that thing washed off. Got all these zombies stuck in the driveway over here. It's like bots. They're like bots. AI bots in Call of Duty. Call of Duty.
AI bots.
And this one just talks shit right here this whole time.
AI bots. So when it's on
He's like that one kid on the mic. You know?
Content, better system, better everything. I'm on Xbox, but you just do the basic.
He's just talking shit.
So once I'm in the game. Oh, you came in clutch. Yeah.
Nah.
Come in
You don't
clutch.
even play the game anymore. It's free.
Hey, one of your
It's free.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Look, oh, go turn on my shit.
That's why you need Xbox. That's why it's Xbox and not a PlayStation.
Fuck Xbox.
That's why you gotta pay for it.
This is why we can never fucking find it.
Anyways, I gotta get this host. Get the toothbrush for me then. All right, now that thing is all squared away. There you go. Now just gotta wait for the phone call to go get the open mouth grill. That way we can swap it out right quick. All right, guys. Now that I got this bumper on, it's time to go test it out. Hopefully this thing does not come off. Some of the alignment and fitment issues are a bit off because of the light bar, but fuck it. I'm gonna run it for now, so yeah. All right, hooligans, we are in the car. I'm gonna give you guys a little treat today. I'm gonna be throwing on the Instant 360. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit better audio quality out of this thing, but I don't know. I've done it before. I've used it on the car, and the audio is just junk, man. Like, all you hear is just wind, so I don't know. It's a cool shot, I guess. I never used it during the daytime. I've only used it at night, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go try to find some roads. So yeah, enjoy some, I guess, driving a POV of the Mazda. Yeah. too. It's a nice little lookout. It's pretty tech. It's a nice little fun road for the Mazda. But I mean, hey, everything's intact still. The bumper's still there. Hey, things are looking good for this thing, man. Super hyped, man. Finally a bumper that doesn't fly off on me and start flapping everywhere. It's so stretched onto here, like it barely fits with the light bar and the crash bar and stuff. Now it's time for the engine to get fixed. Well, engine, drivetrain components. And some, well, I guess engine mounts and shit. Should probably be in the garage or torn apart. Next video, y'all see this car or whatnot, so. And like always, guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel, watching the videos. Hope you guys are enjoying them. Let me know you guys' feedback. Let me know in the comments. Just leave a comment, drop a like for me. And like always, guys, thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out.
I made that shit. I'm with that bitch. Right now, I ain't that bitch. Old friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit. Tryna think I don't know what to say.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick.